Hello everyone. So if you want to unarchive emails in your Gmail, here's how to do that. This method works for basically every system, for your desktop, iOS, Android. Let's keep up. First of all, let's open up our Gmail and let's imagine that we accidentally archived a couple emails. Let's do this right now. So first of all, where do you find them? For desktop and for some older versions of Gmail, you could have just tapped on these three lines and press all inboxes, and most likely you will locate them there. However, this was never the case for me. I don't know why, but they were never here. So how do we find them? Tap on this search bar at the top. Now we gotta insert the following command: is Stellan archived. Let's press search. So this will show us the list of all the archived emails that were ever there. How do we unarchive each email? Quite easy to do. So tap on the email. Now tap on those three dots at the top right corner and simply press move to inbox. Do this with every email which you want to move. So I just moved two of those. Let me move them back. Press move to inbox. By the way, if you want to move all of them, simply choose all of them. Press select all, press move to inbox, and you will locate them in your inbox. Now let's search for it. So let's press all inboxes. Let's update our page. And here are those two emails. Easy as that. Basically, that's it. I really hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.